Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a really fun costume video for you today. Kids costumes for the Jewish holiday Purim. Purim is coming up, and if you don't know, it's a holiday where kids traditionally dress up. It's a really fun holiday. If you're not Jewish but your kids like dressing up, this will be a great video for you as well. Plus, this is really exciting because it's a collab with some really great ladies here on YouTube. Life to the Fullest, My Jewish Mommy Life, Everyday Jewish Mom, and Little Kosher Lunch. All these ladies are bringing you really wonderful projects for Purim, a lot of fun recipes. You want to check them out. I'm going to put links to their channel below, but first let me show you these costumes. So I'm doing super easy and affordable costumes. These are all things you can put together with Dollar Tree items. Really, you just walk in, buy them, and you've got a costume. And I'm not saying buy 10 or 15 items. These are $1, $2, $3 costumes. Really great, particularly because often if you're dressing up for Purim, you're going to synagogue and you might not want some big cumbersome thing. You want something simple that your kids can enjoy and have fun with, but it's not going to break the bank. So first let me explain. I'm going to do two different categories. I've got a few costumes that are sort of ready to wear. You're just going to buy something and you put it on and there you go. And then I've got a couple cute little ideas that have a DIY element to them, but still really simple. So first I'm going to go with the classic, and you can do Esther and the King. These are characters from the Purim story. Esther is a really popular costume idea with little girls, and they've got wonderful tutus, and this is a crown I picked up. You get a crown and a scepter for $1. These are great, and then they can go in the dress-up bin when the little girl is done with them. They're also selling this really cool tunic for little boys, and you can be the king. You can even turn this into a Haman costume, get some construction paper, and do the triangle hat. Really simple, but I think this one is my favorite. They sell all sorts of kids aprons, really basic, and you can pop this on your child, hand him or her a plate of hamantaschen, and he can be a hamantaschen pastry chef. Melissa, I'm looking at you for this one. So now I'm going to show you my little DIY ideas. Both of these are $1 costumes, really cheap and easy. So they've got all these little tiny travel umbrellas at the Dollar Tree, and then I used some yarn and some construction paper, and here we go. I did little clouds and lightning bolts, and your child can be a rainstorm. This is great because they can wear their normal clothes. Like, let's say they're going to class or they're going to Hebrew school. They can wear their normal clothes, and then they've got a little costume prop. This would be a great thing to let them work on as well. They can work on the construction paper pieces, really customize it. And then I picked up this muffin tin. What could this be? And then I got some spray paint. Spray painted it green, do whatever color you like, and your child can be a Lego. Get some ribbon, hang it around their neck, and then dress them in the color that you chose. Really cute, really affordable. I hope you use some of these ideas. Let me know in the comments below what was your favorite costume, and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Hit the red subscribe button to see more videos like this. I do really simple DIY projects Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Head on over to those other ladies, tell them I said hi. I'll see you guys later, and if you're celebrating, hug Sameach. Bye.